Little Canary, written by Lydia Light. There was once Little Canary who sang late at night. She was beautiful and kind, with eyes oh so bright. Her feathers were of the deepest blue, and her heart was pure and very true. She was as happy as she could ever be, until she met Toby, the talking turkey. She noticed that she was really much smaller, and she started to wish that she could become taller. The other animals in the forest heard Little Canary weep. It was so loud that they could barely sleep. And so Penny the parrot came by her side to comfort her as she cried. Penny said, "My dear, size does not matter. It is not important if you are thinner or fatter, or taller or smaller. What matters is how good on the inside you are. And my dear Little Canary, you sure shine like a star." Little Canary thought about this for a while, and all of a sudden she started to smile. She began to feel better, and she started to sing a lullaby about how size does not mean a thing. Soon Hooty the Owl, the guardian of the night, came to join her singing by the moonlight. He hooted and howled, "Hoo, hoo, hoo," and reminded Little Canary to never be blue. Into the starry night they continued their song, while all their feathered friends also sang along. Sweet dreams, they said to one and all, for everyone, from the very small to the tall.